Welcome. This is Math Minders Academy. If you are new to our channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go on and hit the subscription button, share this video, like this video, go to the comment section and say something about this video. Today, we are going to learn how to find the angle between the longest diagonal in a cuboid and the base of the cuboid. That is, if you are given a cuboid with a base A, B, C, D, and the base of this cuboid is rectangular, we want to find the angle between the longest diagonal and this base. So let's go straight to this tutorial. Given this cuboid, the longest diagonal could come from any of these vertices from F to D, or from E to C, or from G to A. But we are going to concentrate on the diagonal running from the vertex F to the vertex D. So we have this diagonal here, and we want to find the angle between this longest diagonal and the base of this cuboid, which is a rectangle ABCD. How do we find this angle? We are going to put a line on the base of this cuboid. We'll draw a line, all right? And so we connect this line to the height of the cuboid, that is the height BF. The angle between the height and the line that runs on the base of this cuboid is perpendicular, meaning that the angle is 90 degrees. So we are going to see angle 90 degrees formed there. That is FBA is equals to 90 degrees. So now we will move on to calculate the length of FD, which is the longest diagonal. How do we calculate this? We are going to use Pythagoras because we have this pattern, this right angle triangle here. And so this is F, down here is B, and this is D. Just like we can see here, we can see it here. This is F, down to B, and then we have our D here. Okay. All right. If we are given the dimensions of this cuboid, we are given the height as 4 centimeters. We are given the width as 8 centimeters, and we are given the length as 10 centimeters. Now, we want to find the length of this longest diagonal. So the length of FD is going to be the square root of 10 squared plus 8 squared plus 4 squared. This will give us 13.416. Okay. Now, that means we have here 13.416 centimeters. All right, remember that this is 4 centimeters, right? So now we are going to look for this angle here. All right. That angle, we can give it a name. Let's say it's theta. That means we are looking for theta here. So we are going to apply SOHCAHTOA, that is, we're going to pick use this. So here we have the opposite and the hypotenuse. So we are using sine. So here, sine theta is going to give us 4 over 13.416. And that will give us 0.2981. Well, 0.2981. Okay, so we now take the arc sine of that value, 2981, and that gives us 17.3 degrees. All right, 17.3 degrees. That will be the value of the angle between the longest diagonal of a cuboid and the base of the cuboid. If you find this teaching interesting, and if we have imparted value, why not go on? If you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscription button, share this video, like this video, go to the comment section and say something about this video. We are going to develop another concept and make it very simple in our next tutorial class. Therefore, we invite you to be with us when next we'll be discussing another mathematical concept. This is Maths Minders Academy, saying goodbye for now.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught